Alright, today's the day. We've got jaw dropper heading off to get analysed and get someone to hopefully move on with finishing the rest of the project. So here she is. We've got the steps are in storage, so I need to go and get those out and get those mounted up. Got a bit of work to do to finish those. Bit of work on the inside here just to finish off smoothing the inside of the tray. It's all looking good. Sorry, it's jacked up at the moment, so it's a bit higher than it normally is. And then we've got one of the inner guards here that's been started on and needs to be finished. And then down here we've got a panel being made up here, which will then come across and cover this inner chassis rail. Same on the other side. And all the motor parts are all done. They are just up in storage as well. So once the inside guards are finished, we can put that motor back together and finish off on the final colours we want to choose and then get it done. So for those of you that haven't seen the inside, inside's all done. So here it is. Hopefully it's not too dark. Nice seat. All the gauges. Got the AccuAir. It's nearly been 3 years since we've had it on the road. So yeah, really looking forward to getting some progress on it. Although it looks like there's heaps to be done, it's probably not as much as it seems. Once we get those guards back on, current stage is that they're nearly completed with the steps all formed to come right down and meet up with this pinch here. The inner guards are, they've been done before, so we were just changing those up to get a bit of a fresh look on them. You see those Kooks 1 7/8 headers under there. For those of you that don't know, it runs a small block 383 with a Pro Charger, D1 Pro Charger. Only makes about 10 pounds of boost, and it's putting out just on 500 horsepower at the wheels, so that's pretty cool. And speaking of wheels, once the guards and stuff are all done, we're looking to change up those wheels and probably go to a 12-inch wide on the back with maybe a 335/30 tyre, and undecided whether we're going to stick with the 20s or go to a 22. We're just going to see how that all goes. So yeah, truck's going to be here soon to pick it up. Got a one-piece glass in that box there, so it's going to be good. So yeah, that's where we're at. Really pumped to get it underway, get it finished. That was what it looked like about, how long ago is that? 8 years ago. Changed to that. So fingers crossed, we're on the way to getting it finished. Pretty excited. Alright, getting this girl loaded up. Sweet as. Off on the truck for about the 30th time. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we got the truck out to the place to get mocked up, so from here we're going to get a couple of people to look at it and see if they can get it all finished off really. So it's quite a bit of work to do. Most of the panel work sort of started, a bit of it's finished, and there's a lot of odds and ends to tidy up. There's a few chips on a few panels in the paintwork, so Willie and Carl and the crew at High Impact are going to have to sort me out them. So yeah, we'll keep you informed. Hopefully progress starts pretty soon, and I'll be able to keep you updated with how the build's coming on and when it's going to be done. Cool, cheers. Make sure you subscribe, click the like button if you can, and share it with all your friends. Cheers.